God, the water is cold. I need someone.
All the way to dust.
Yeah, we're so much. Oh. Chuck is driving a solar-powered electric General Lee themed golf cart, and we have to walk the solar panels because they are so dusty. We should call this the Dusty Creek Campground. Yeah.
I just dropped in to see what condition my condition will be.
There we go, guys. That's from Big Lebowski. All right, everybody, here we are. We are at Silver Creek Campground. We're with Roller Girl. There's Chuck and Desiree, the wife, and we're going to set foot in a real creek, guys. A real life creek. All right. Oh, Jesus. There we go, guys. Oh, God, the water is cold. I need someone to hold me for studying this.
All right.
Okay, there we go. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't believe we're in a creek. Isn't this exciting? This is real country living.
This is nature's air conditioner.
It's nature's air conditioner. And this is my last day here. What a great way to end my last day at the biker rally,
You're
right?
not a creek virgin anymore.
I'm not a creek virgin anymore. Isn't that nice? There we go.
You've been de-virginized.
Yeah, of course. So there we go.
Almost. When you get your nut. Can I say that?
We can say anything you want. We just can't show it.
Yeah. When they disappear on
Yeah.
you, you know you're in it.
Right. Well, we're not getting all that far. We won't go that far. There we go.
Shrinkage as hell, I tell you.
Yeah, especially in this cold water. I'm surprised that fish could live in water like
little
this.
bubbles coming up from right there. That's weird. Look, see it?
Yeah.
I got a minnow nibbling on my toe.
Oh my word! But that's good. You know, people in China pay a lot for that. When they get their pedicures, they get little fishy fish to eat all their dead skin on their
Oh, that's
feet.
cool.
Yeah, it's in
Makes
Japan.
sense.
Yeah, they eat the dead skin cells or something.
Right.
All right, clean it
there
up
we go.
while you're down there.
Yeah. So there we go.
There we are.
Isn't this fun? So this is what you do for entertainment. You go into the creeks.
This is,
Maybe you can take
Yeah.
pictures
Come out
of
here,
the
read a book,
Oh really? So peaceful.
walk up and down.
What do
find
you like
rocks
to read?
Skip.
Yeah. Tell us about yourself, Roller Girl. Tell the viewers about
Okay,
you.
creep, it's just me.
I think those fish are biting me too.
Serious?
Yes.
They nibbling on you?
Get away. I think that was a turtle.
That might have been like a reef.
A baby,
Oh.
yeah, leaf.
Yeah,
A
it
leaf?
was a leaf.
Okay, because that
Oh.
looks like a snake right
One
there.
of the reasons why I was cleaning it out, trying to run some of them out, because they were bad out here before all the activity.
Yeah,
And
I
snakes?
wouldn't want to get
yeah,
close
we
to
killed
that
two
area
water
right
moccasins
there.
7 foot
Sure.
long underneath my patio,
They
my
do.
porch.
Chuck, they like hang
On
out
Mother's
those
Day.
overhangs right
All right,
there.
guys, there we go. We're ending this video, but stay tuned. You never know.
Something's always interesting happening at the creek.
Yeah, something always is interesting happening. I think we're just going to do that. Well, let's take a picture out here, too. Hopefully that all comes out. Wouldn't that be nice?
See, now this is where I would want to chill out.
Put your camp out here, huh?
Look, I put my chair in it, kick back, have my music playing.
Do that again?
Which part?
All of it.
Yeah.
Do it for the video, sure.
Oh, you did something like that and I was like, ooh.
Yeah, sexy pose, sexy pose. We love it. That'll be the thumbnail for this video. Wow, wow.
In the water.
No, we're gonna do the 360-degree photo in a second.
See, that's all the reason to come back, with a chair and your music and a towel and
Yeah,
on your limo.
Desiree says take her picture.
we will. We're gonna take a 360-degree one once I figure out how to operate this camera without the phone. There we go. I don't know if this is still recording or not. I may have to get my phone to do it.
Don't
Let's
hate
just-
me because I'm having fun.
Watch your feet around those wheels, dude.
Oh, I am.
You're not supposed to film or do videography by the pavilion.
Well, there we go. We're doing our.
We're in the outer elements of that.
We're in the outer elements of the Silver Creek Campground in a solar-powered electric vehicle that Chuck created. And we're checking out the terrain out here. Oh my word. Gee whiz.
Happy Memorial Weekend, folks.
This is how we're spending Memorial Day.
Just a decent time.
It's just a piece of
Yeah, man. Bouncy, bouncy. Yeah, man.
It's good to know this machine can handle different terrain, guys. Yes. All right, there we go. There we go.
You got it.
Sure.
There
We
it
have-
is.
We have no seat belts.
Hey,
we
who
don't-
needs helmets around?
We don't need.
And the driver's drinking.
The driver is drinking. He's 3 sheets to the wind.
And the passengers are drunk,
The passenger's drunk too.
going along with the
Got along with the flow.
going with the blue.
Yeah. So there's theoretically hiking trails back here.
All right,
We-
now drip.
What does that mean? Oh,
Let's go drip. Drip.
oh. All right. Good.
Hiking gear.
Gee whiz.
This ain't nothing like riding a horse through it.
Yeah, this thing's.
Oh, I'm sure riding a horse is a little better, actually.
This thing doesn't have a hole. It's
At least the horse has control of things and 4 legs.
Oh, swell though.
It's all swell.
On the mall, the swell will be going down. Everybody gonna be going home.
Whoa.
Yeah. All
Is
this
it-
dust.
Yeah, there's so much dust. We're covered in dust.
We are dust in the wind.
Dust in the wind.
People are spraying them water hoses out there trying to keep the water down. I mean, the dust down. And they're like,
Where?
look, you missed this
Okay.
spot. Another one bites the dust.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, my word. We're really not supposed to film a lot over here, guys. That's why we haven't filmed you in the midst of the action. But we're showing you today or out of the mainstream places we can show you. But we've been having a great time out here, for sure.
Silver Creek Campground. Come get your relax on in the creek.
Get your relax zone in the creek. Maybe that's what we'll title the video.
Is the creek right there too?
There's a part of it there, yeah. Yep, it runs right through there. Lee.
So why do they call this place Silver Creek?
Honestly, I don't know
That's
where
a
the
good
where the
question. I don't
silver in it came from.
Yeah.
I don't know. That would be something to look into, I reckon.
Yeah.
It's all silver to me.
It's all silver. All right, so Chuck is driving a solar-powered, electric, General Lee themed golf cart, and we have to wash the solar panels because they are so dusty. They should call this the Dusty Creek Campground because it is very
You see
dusty.
how dusty that is?
Yeah,
It is when the kids come with their ATVs.
yeah. There we go, guys. So now you get to see how we can clean off a solar power place.
Oh. And there's a 6,000 watt 220 inverter connected to the batteries and the solar panels. If Darren will go to the other side, on the other side, you can see the the plugs.
And the bidding starts at...
Yeah. So this is, I think, what he wants us to see. That's the power of this vehicle. And there's Chuck back there with the water hose.
Water, dude.
All right, yeah, I don't want to get watered on me. So there we go. So Roller Girl is also a great singer. You want to do a acapella song for the video
Oh, geez.
while we're doing this, so they could have something to listen to? Not to put you on the spot.
I'm gonna catch a breath in it.
Okay. All
All
right.
right. I don't know what to think.
Well, don't worry about it. We'll save that
I
for.
just dropped in to see what condition my condition was in.
There we go, guys. That's from the Big Lebowski.
Yeah.
So guys, now we're good enough to fight another day. I think out here at Silver Creek Campground, guys.